In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your mobile phone. First, ensure that your mobile device is connected to the internet. For Android users, start by opening the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type IPTV Smarters Pro and hit enter. Once you see the app in the search results, tap on it, then click the install button. The app will begin downloading, and after a few moments, it will be installed on your device. For iOS users, open the App Store and tap on the Search tab at the bottom. Enter IPTV Smarters Pro in the search bar. Once you find the app, tap on it and then click the Get button to download and install it. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID Touch ID to confirm the download. After the installation is complete, locate the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app to open it. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials or set up your IPTV service. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your username, password, and any other necessary details provided by your IPTV service provider. Once you've logged in, you can start streaming your favorite content through the IPTV Smarters Pro app. You can customize the settings, browse channels, and enjoy live TV, movies, and more. And that's it. You can now easily download and install the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your mobile phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.